Occidental, Siquijor Mountain, Southern Leyte, South Cotabato, Catanduanes, Sultan Kudarat, Pangasinan, Misamis Oriental, Iloilo, Nogon Samar, and the eastern one, Surigao del Norte and del Sur, Misamis Occidental, Samar, Lanao del Norte and del Sur, Oriental Mindoro and Rizal, Benguet Antique and Marinduque, Dinagat Islands, then Romblon, Quirino Apayao and Cotabato, Occidental Mindoro, La Union. These are the Philippine provinces. Every Pinoy in the world comes from one of them. Mabuhay! These are the Philippine provinces in our 7,107 islands.
Mikey, wait!
What about Aldab Nation?
Damn, these girls, I don't know what it is. I got something gets them rocking. Hypnotize them, oh I already did. Using my powers, I'ma get it now. They listen to the vibe.